Hey guys, just want to show you a new product we brought in recently. It's X-Grip Mousses. A bunch of different options on these, a lot of different models, some with holes, some without, different densities of foam. So we can get you set up for just about any kind of an application. This is the one I would recommend for trail riding. It's going to give you a nice plush feel, like a 4 to 5 pound feel in the appropriate tire, the matching tire size. This one is a 140/80/18, and I'm putting it in a 140/80/18 tire. This is the SSE-2. I highly recommend this model for trail riding. For you hard enduro guys that want even a softer setup, we've got that as well. We've got the pre-drilled ones, and like I said before, different foam options, density options. This is what this one looks like mounted. So it's not too big, it's not sticking up above the bead. And excellent choice. If you have more questions about this, definitely give us a call. Our staff is well informed on mousses, well trained. We have meetings every week to keep everybody tuned up on the latest and the greatest products that we have coming in. So give us a call or take a look on our website. Right below this video will be a link that says more. Click on that and then we'll send you right to the product page so you can learn more about it. We always like to help you out making an informed decision on your purchase. And if you would, please like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.